In this video, I'm going to show you how to use gift card on Dhgate. To use a gift card on Dhgate, follow these steps. Log in or sign up. If you haven't already, log into your Dhgate account. If you're new to Dhgate, you'll need to sign up for an account. Browse products, browse the Dhgate website or app to find the products you want to purchase. Add items to cart. Once you've found the items you want to buy, add them to your shopping cart. Proceed to checkout. After you've added all the items you want to purchase to your cart, proceed to checkout. Enter gift card information. During the checkout process, you'll have the option to apply a gift card to your order. Look for the section labeled Apply Gift Card or Redeem Gift Card. Enter the gift card code or redemption code in the designated field. This code is typically found on the physical gift card or in the email containing the gift card information, Apply Gift Card. Once you've entered the gift card code, click or tap on the Apply button to apply the gift card to your order. Complete payment. After applying the gift card, review your order total to ensure that the gift card amount has been deducted from the total. If there's any remaining balance after applying the gift card, choose your preferred payment method to cover the remaining amount.